it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here with Dave from Keystoker, and we are going to do a general overview on the Keystoker, the automatic coal boiler. So this is going to be a full boiler system. It is used for hydronic heating as well as domestic hot water heating. Dave here is going to show you guys a little bit of a technical overview, what comes with your boiler, what needs to be purchased separately. So I hope that you guys find this video helpful. I know you guys love to see products in full detail before you actually purchase them. So if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.
Okay, here we have a K6 Right boiler. This is a boiler that is typical for a 2,500 square foot home. This is what your boiler would look like when you purchase a boiler. It won't be dressed with a jacket until after the installation is complete. You do the process of piping it in, putting a jacket on, all the other good stuff. Now, when you get a boiler like this, you have options of a coil, domestic coil for hot water in the house. When you purchase a boiler, you're going to want to know what hand you want. The hand would be right hand, standing at the back of the boiler where the hopper is. Right hand would be where the fire door is, and then if you want a left hand, it'd be on the left side. It all depends on the application of where you're going to install this unit. Again, it is not dressed. You have to put the unit in, you have to pipe it in, and then dress the boiler. As far as boiler sizes, we have from a K4 all the way up to a K22, and again, this is a K6, which is a typical boiler we sell. Larger homes and greenhouses and stuff like that. We do offer warm airs along with boilers. Here we have a K6 left, fully automatic, thermostatically controlled. Some of the product that you see on this you don't get with the boiler, but again, here I'm standing at the hopper. This is where your unit will go, and to determine what hand you need is you stand at the hopper. If you need the fire door on the left, it'll be on the left hand side, or if you need the fire door on the right, it'll be on the right hand side. Everything you get with our boiler, you're going to get a wired control ready to go. You're going to get a relief valve, which is right here. You get the relief valve. Okay, you get the coil, comes with it, and then stuff that installers are going to have to purchase are a flow check, a circulator, along with the flanges. And here we have, this is the fill, your domestic coil. And this guy right here, this little loop is called a bypass loop. This controller is called a 4006B. Is it included? It controls the temperature of the boiler if it rises above 220. It will pump into a dump zone and bring the boiler temperature back down. You do get a thermostat with it. It is a Honeywell digital round. You will also get all the hardware. You'll get the unit, a damper, a barometric damper. You must supply the stack pipe, the hopper, the jacket, carbon monoxide detector, 2 ash tubs, charcoal to light the fire. That's pretty much what comes with a boiler.